Hello grade 7, it's exercise 9 on the page 36 of the lesson prime numbers. The search for GCD and LCM. GCD stands for the greatest common divisor and LCM stands for least common multiple. Branch A. Give the GCD and LCM of M and N in each of the following cases. We have two cases. This is the first and this is the second practice. So we have two practices here to find the GCD and LCM. And we notice that in branch B we are given the numbers. We have to decompose them first, while in branch A the decomposition is already given. So we have to use these two compositions to find the GCD and LCM. So let's first do the first practice. So what do we mean by GCD, or how to find the GCD? The GCD of two natural numbers is the product of their common prime factors, each taken with the smallest power. So in other words, we could say that GCD, we take only common with the lowest exponent. Only common. As we see here, C stands for common. So, in the first practice, we have two numbers, M and N. And to find the GCD, we have to first indicate the common factors. We have 2, 3 and 3 are common. 5 and 5 also are common. This is the first step. The second step, as we said before, to take the prime factors with the lowest exponent. So 2 and 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 1. So we take 2 power 1. 3 power 1, 3 squared. So we take 3 power 1. 5 squared and 5. So we take 5. So these factors that are circled in the green and red are the ones that can help me to calculate the GCD. So GCD equals 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, times 3 is 30. This is the method to calculate the GCD. I can advise you to draw this table and to put the number M and N, and then to put all the different primes that appear in the decomposition of M and N. Let's see here, we have 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So the primes are 2, 3, 5. For M, the primes are 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 1, and 5 squared. For the number N, the prime factors are 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, and 5 to the power 1. And then we have to circle the prime factors in each column, the prime factor with the lowest exponents. So we circle 2, here we circle 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. Then the GCD is 2 times 3 times 5, and the answer is 30. For LCM, the LCM of two natural numbers is the product of the prime factors of both numbers, and the common factors are taken with the largest power. So in other words, we say that LCM, we take the common factors with the highest exponent and we take all the leftover. So we have the same numbers M and N, So let's draw the table. And the primes are 2, 3, and 5. And as we said before, we take each one with the highest exponent. So we circle to the power 3, 3 squared, and 5 squared. And we write them here: 2 power 3, 3 power 2, and 5 power 2. And then we multiply them together. 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. It equals to 8 times 9 times 25. Then it equals to 200. 8 times 25 is 200 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18, and 2 zeros, so it's 1800. Second practice. We have the numbers m and n. As we said, we have to draw first the table, and we have the two numbers m and n. And let's check for the primes. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. These are the different kinds of primes: 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. For the number m, we have 2 cubed, 3 power 1, 5 power 1, 7 power 1, and there is no 11. Instead of leaving it empty, it's better to put 11 to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 except 0 is 1, so we could write here 11 power 0. For n, we have 2 to the power 1, 3 squared. We have no 5s, so we put 5 to the power 0. We have no 7s, so we put 7 to the power 0, and then 11 to the power 1. Here we don't have to take into consideration which factors are common. Just we take each column by itself. So here look at 2 power 3 and 2. As we said before, for GCD we take the common factors with the lowest power. So we take 2 to the power 1 or 2, 3, 5 power 0, 7 power 0, and 11 power 0, and we write them down. And then we multiply them together to get the GCD. 2 times 3 times 5 to the power 0, which is 1. 7 to the power 0 is 1. 11 to the power 0 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So the GCD is 6. So let's find how to find the LCM. For LCM, we said that we take the primes or the prime factors with the highest power. So 2 power 1 and 2 power 3, we take 2 power 3. 3 power 2, 5 power 0, and 5 power 1, we take 5 power 1, 7 power 1, and 11 power 1. Then we write them down: 2 power 3, 3 power 2, 5 power 1, 7, and 11. And then we have to multiply them together. 2 power 3 times 3 squared times 5 times 7 times 11. And the answer is, or we could say the LCM of the two numbers m and n is 27,720.